frustrations in English. Real-life conversation practice. Welcome back, my friend. In the last part, we learned how to speak politely when we feel annoyed. Now, let's see how to use those polite phrases in real-life situations. Everyday moments where frustration happens. Ready? Let's begin. Situation 1. The late friend. Imagine your friend is always late. You could say angrily, "You're always late." But instead, let's say it politely. "Hey, I was waiting for you. Everything okay? I was a bit worried. Thought maybe something happened." See the difference? You sound kind, not angry. Let's repeat that. I was a bit worried. Everything okay? Situation 2. Technology problem. Now imagine your internet stops working while you're in an online meeting. Instead of shouting, "This stupid Wi-Fi," say calmly, "Looks like my connection is weak. Can you please give me a second? I'll reconnect." Short, polite, and confident. Let's say it together. Can you give me a second? I'll reconnect. Situation 3. When someone doesn't listen. Sometimes people don't listen to us properly. Instead of saying, "You never listen," say, "I feel like I wasn't clear. Let me explain again. Can I share my point one more time?" That shows respect and helps others listen better. Repeat after me. I feel like I wasn't clear. Let me explain again. Situation 4. Workplace delay. At work, things don't always go as planned. Instead of saying, "Why is this taking so long?" try, "Is there any update on this? I just wanted to check the progress." Sounds much more professional, right? Now repeat. Is there any update on this? Situation 5. Wrong order at a cafe. You ordered tea, but they bring coffee. You could say, "This isn't what I ordered," but instead try, "Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake. I asked for tea." Polite tone, friendly body language, and problem solved. Let's practice that. I think there's a small mistake. I asked for tea. Situation 6. Change of plans. Your friend cancels your plan at the last minute. You feel upset, but you stay polite. Say, "Oh, that's a bit disappointing, but I understand. No worries, maybe we can plan another day." This shows emotional control and maturity. Repeat after me. That's a bit disappointing, but I understand. Great work! You just practices how to handle frustration in real conversations, politely and naturally. So next time something annoys you, remember, pause, breathe, speak calmly. You don't have to hide your feelings. Just express them with respect. Keep practicing these examples until they feel natural. Soon, you'll speak English like a confident and kind communicator. Stay tuned. In the next part, we'll learn how to ask for help and find solutions when frustration happens. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English speaking lessons.